Hello, my love. How are you? I'm gonna show you my YouTube channel. Flicky looky. It is. There we go. I'm gonna send you later the link, but could you please like every video? What's on it? And if you go to playlists over here, then you see review videos, and there's will be coming the most videos. Could you please like and subscribe it for me? And this video is a test, my love, but I still love you. So if you go to the video like this,
Hi guys,
click here like, shut up. Click here the like button, my love, and go a little bit down. If it works, yeah, there we go. And if you can here like and subscribe, it doesn't matter what you write, and you don't need to watch the whole video. If you watch 20 seconds, it's enough. Want this? There are stupid videos in the beginning, they are not good enough. But we're getting there, so please like and subscribe my channel and everything. Have a nice day. Now we're gonna try to load it up to my YouTube channel and send you the video. Love you, and bye. Beep beep.